What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to pair a phone to a 2023 Jeep Renegade using the Bluetooth. So I'm going to be using an iPhone to connect to the Renegade in this video, but other phones would be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings, open the Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Now taking a look at our center screen, from the bottom menu, I'm going to click Phone. And then it'll ask me, do you want to pair a phone? Yes. So now I'm going to grab my phone and it should pop up under as Uconnect. So you see it there, Uconnect. Go ahead and click on that. Then we want to make sure that the PIN number on our phone matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does. So on the center screen, we'll click Yes. And then on our phone, we'll click Pair. And now we're connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.